Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of October. Ooh, I already opened it, y'all. I cannot wait. Me and my coworker opened it together because, y'all, I couldn't wait. And I actually get mine delivered to my job, so I went up there and got it from her. So this month's box it looks just like this. Haha, you can't see the items, but I'm going to get into it because I don't want to make the video too long. But they are promoting where they have the bigger BoxyCharm, where it's $35 for the beauty box, and it has over $175 value for only $35. So it's BoxyCharm 2.0, okay? It has more value, it has customization, more choices, you can have some add-ons, and a boxy pop-up. So that's pretty cool as well. If you wanted to get that and didn't want to just do the standard BoxyCharm. So this is called After Dark. So that's everything in here is things that you would use after dark, at nighttime, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Before we get started, if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is $25 a month, and you get full size items. So unlike that other subscription box that wants to hand out the samples, no, you get full size items of BoxyCharm, and they value over $100. So you are getting your $25 worth. So we're gonna first start off with Paulas Choice. This is an exfoliate. This has, y'all know I can't say some of these big words. Salicylic acid. It's for all skin types, and this is a liquid exfoliant. So it looks just like this. And just taking a look here because they let you know everything that's in there. It says this Paulas Choice is a non-abrasive leave-on exfoliant. It removes dead skin cells both on the surface and inside the pores to reveal smooth, glowy skin. And y'all know I'm all about glowy, smooth skin. So I cannot wait to try this bad boy out to see if it'll help with my skin, because I'm always looking to glow. And you always say, oh, your skin's so glowy, blah, blah, blah. Y'all, I be working on this skin. I'm going to have a skincare routine for y'all, I promise. But I've been really working on my skin, and I've been seeing a lot of success. So I cannot wait to try this out. The next item that came, it was wrapped in this because they do bubble wrap things. This is Touch and Soul. Is the glossy Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. You can't really see it, but there it is. Ooh, look at the reflection. It's so cute. And that's what it looks like right there. The packaging is just super, super cute. There it is. There it is. And this is a primer. It says it's a primer on the packaging. So I'm trying to see what type of primer this is. It's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And it said the magic word glow. And anything with glow, I'm like, y'all meant me, right? Y'all talking to me. Y'all talking directly to me, right? Because I need my skin. I love my skin to glow, and I need it to glow. So I don't know why it's called After Dark when they say this can be worn all day. Who knows? But yeah, the packaging, I mean, this is vanity worthy. So yeah, it's really, really pretty. So I'm going to be using this because I want to see if it really does help you glow all day long, because my skin has to glow. So that's that item. And the retail on that, just so you guys know, this retails for $32, and the Paulas Choice retails for $29.50. So boom, box paid for itself right there. The next item we have, this is just a lippy. This is the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. It's iconic lip plumping glosses, non-sticky gloss, and plumping power. And this is what this one looks like. It's a little light for me, but I can put this on with a lip liner and be good to go. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute, but yeah, it kind of looks like the lippy I have on right now. And I have a liner with it, so it makes it work. But yeah, I got that, and the price of this normally goes for $26 for this plumping lippy. Gosh, pay for the box in itself. The next item that I got is a lip liner. I cannot wait to actually use this lip liner. This is from Jante Bleu. I hope I said that right. is a lip liner. It goes for $5. And it's red. And who could not use a good red lip liner in the fall and in the winter? I can. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, nice red lip liner. So I cannot wait to use this with my Ruby Woo. Ooh, y'all remember MAC Ruby Woo? Ruby Woo looks so good in the winter, so I cannot wait to pair those two together. So that came in the box as well. And there's one item left, y'all. This item goes for $32, and it's with the company I really like, Dose of Colors, y'all. This is the Baked Browns 5-pan eyeshadow matte palette. The palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. And brown works just for me because I am dark brown. So yes, yes, yes. It comes with a mirror, and it comes with, you know, a little eyeshadow brush. Trying not to blind you guys, but that's what the shades look like. They are so cute. I'm gonna start from here with this one. It's Rock Bottom, then Cherry Wood, Outdoorsy, Deserted, and Tea Light. Ooh, this eyeshadow palette is cute. I cannot wait to play in it, y'all. Dose of Colors is bomb. Like, y'all, just getting this Dose of Colors item makes this whole box worth it. Even though this wasn't the most expensive thing, I believe the most expensive thing was the gloss, wasn't it? Well, no, the Touch and Soul and the Dose of Colors both run $32 each. So look at that, two things right there for $64, and you get it in the box for $25. So again, the link will be below. Make sure you sign up, because if you're not signed up, I don't know what you're doing. Like, honey, what is you? Dose of Colors, y'all. Those are colors. That's all I'm gonna say. Those are colors. That's it, guys. That's everything I got in this month's BoxyCharm. So if you love BoxyCharm, let me know in the links below. What was your most favorite item that I showed? If you're liking Vlogtober, let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to upload a video every day in the month of October. I got off to a slow start, but I'm trying to see if I can do it, because I don't know. I'm not good with uploading every day. I know some people that upload 2-3 times a day, and it's just like, how do you have the time? But I'm trying to do Vlogtober. So if you're enjoying Vlogtober, definitely let me know in the comments below. I like to give my favorite to my least favorite, so we'll get started. My most favorite item out of all this actually is the Dose of Color Baked Browns, because I think this is the best value and is a name brand. It's something that I know. So that's my favorite thing. My second favorite thing actually just has to be that lip liner. It's only $5, but it's a really nice lip liner, and it's going to go nice with Ruby Woo. So I cannot wait to use that. The next item that I would say after that would be the Glassy Touch and Soul, just because the packaging is everything. Like, even if the product's not that great, because I haven't used it yet, man, the packaging is just super cute. And then it would be the Paulas Choice, and the reason why I like this one is because it helps bring the glow through, and I need my glow to shine. Like, glow. I need it to shine. So definitely. And my least favorite has to be the lippy. Where did I put it? Okay, yeah, here it is the lippy, because $26 is a lot of money for a lippy, especially from a brand I'm not that familiar with. So that's why it's my least favorite. Plus I already have something like it, so that's why it made the least favorite. But all in all, the box was amazing. I love everything that I got, and y'all, I cannot wait to use these items. So if you guys want me to report back when I do my monthly favorites this month, I'll report back to you on products that I'm loving, products that I was like, nah, I didn't like after I thought about it. I definitely can do that for you, because a monthly favorites video will be coming up. I want to say October 29th or 30th, because I don't want to bother y'all on Halloween, because I know you're gonna be doing things with the kiddos and stuff. So I don't want to bother you on Halloween with a favorites video. I'd rather give it to you before then, and just make Halloween's video something really playful and fun, that's not that long. That way it doesn't take up too much of your time, so you can do what you need to do with your kids. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely, again, let me know what your favorite item is below. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Let's get started. So the first item I got, y'all, banana custard. I had to get it, y'all. I had to get the banana custard. I had to get it. It smells so good, and because I got 10 off